Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Furqan Malik and my roll number is 080. Today we will talk about Workflow Wireframe Pro, which is a prototype tool. Here is our agenda. We will cover these things in this tutorial. Before start, I must discuss few questions about wireframe. Let's talk about it. What is wireframe? This is just a basic rough design layout of your website, apps, or products to showcase your journey. And if we talk about how to create wireframes, it can be hand-drawn or digitally created with the help of available tools. As we know, these tools will help you to show you a journey, that how you make something and in what flow you make prototype. And next question came, why to create wireframe? It can be the best way to make your client's developer or team member understand your thoughts, ideas and structure of a design. And one last thing, is it important? My answer is yes. Do not skip this process before starting any design, as it makes overall process smoother and faster. Starting with the introduction of workflow, we must discuss its definitions. There are many definitions. I found two of them, which is Workflow is an online wireframing software that helps to design, collaborate user interface mockups for software and websites. Workflow is a tool in a wireframing category of a tech stack. Or you can say Workflow is a cloud-based wireframing software allowing designer to collaborate in real time on user interface prototypes for website and softwares. Workflow provides user with a large library of mockup components, icons, stickers and other shapes to quickly and efficiently build clean-looking interface mockups. Now let's talk about its features. There is a long list of its features. Starting with presentation mode to test wireframe interaction, zoom wireframe with auto size functions, sitemap creator with pages and folders, interactive visualization of sitemap, graph 960, grid and rulers are provided for layout, support for master pages to avoid rework, revision history for tracking your design iteration, large library of wireframe components, mock store for extra elements and templates, image manager, built-in icon library, layout builders for designing background layout design, stickers, ready-made collection of images, components for annotating your wireframe, export entire project to offline HTML, multiple page PDF document, Microsoft PowerPoint slides, high quality PNG images, generate specification in MS Word format, unique expose snapshot, convert sitemap to Excel format, real-time design collaboration with team chat. Get annotated feedback directly in the wireframe, track wireframe activity and update from team members, Google App Integration, self-service license manager to manage team licenses, team contact manager, projects can be copied between accounts, ability to export wireframe data, labels for organizing wireframe projects, whiteboard tools for drawing doodles on wireframe, view, edit, update your wireframe offline, built-in WebSnap function for capturing websites. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. This is one of the best tools I have ever tried online for sketching ideas, website, wireframe and apps. This allows to understand the problem well and better before final implementation. This put everything I need to get this project from planning stage to production in one place. I just love it. Value compared to he does what he promises. And a final and free plan that is more generous, so anyone can start using it, but with one limitation: just one prototype at a time. And if we talk about its cons: limited scope of use. The only thing I think is bad is that it is not possible to test a prototype made for mobile apps on a cell phone. Free version is limited to just one design and 3 pages, but it can be manageable. Now, how to make prototype in Mockflow? It's a quite simple steps, and I must tell you one by one. At start of the Mockflow, the screen will appear like this. The blue plus sign is a click for a new project. After that, in second step, by clicking new UI projects, the screen will appear, and there is a number of icons, values, and folders. I choose according to my needs and desire, and you choose as your needs. Now, according to my design and my need, I choose form type, and the screen appears for name of the project and other features. I must write admission form name here. Here it is. You can see selecting name of the project as admission form, the screen appears with prototype features at the most left panel. After that, for adding page numbers, for editing the page number, I select pages from the left panel and edit. You can simply edit by double click, and screenshot is attached. You can see. After editing the page name, go back to the elements, and according to my needs, I will choose the rectangle shape. Now, setting the header is quite simple. Just took a rectangle element and change the color to sky blue, and simply a drag and drop process. Now select the icon from left bottom panel to select the user icon, and lock for password fields and username. Now I just take two text input from element section for entering username and passwords. After that, I search for buttons, and I simply drag and drop buttons into my application login page. You can see there is two buttons: login and register. After that, I put a small section for forget password and FAQs. Now I add one more page from left panel, and then click plus. New page is added. Now I rename it as information, so that I can link it with the admission page, front page. Here it is. Now from here we can simply link it with the information page, and again back to the first page and click on login button. To click the page, click on the link from the properties, and a new small window will open like this. You can see, select the page information that I want to link with login button. So this is the way we can make prototype in Mockflow. Well, let's summarize this. Key point is ease of use. You notice how easy to use this Mockflow wireframe is. It have a very beautiful editor. Novice to expert, anyone can use it. It has a UI pack, and with a little practice, novice user can be an expert. If I talk about its cost, as I already discussed, it's free, but with little limitation we can make just one prototype in its free version, and we have facility to make 3 pages at once, and run on. I simply didn't face any issue. And versatility, this is very versatile software I have ever seen, no doubt. And example I'll make some design for you. Let's start. Wireframe is the art of brainstorming. User interface is markup. It fills the mark between ideas and creating actual UI. It allows designer to visually try out different layouts without coding. Markflow Wireframe helps to design and collaborate user interfaces, blueprints for website and apps in last time. Now we will build a simple interactive wireframe that demonstrate the basic feature of wireframe. Let's begin. To create a new project, click on the plus button. You can see in a screen tip new UI project. We will click. Here is the interface. Well, you can choose anything as you want, as your project wants. In our case, we will choose iPhone iOS 14, as we will make wireframe new wireframe mockup on this iPhone iOS 14 app. Let's click on it. Here the window appears. We will name it login form and start. Well, it appears like this. Right side is the editor mode where you will draw and edit things. Left side is control mode. All the components are there. You can simply scroll down and see. You can see iPhone iOS 14 pack. You can choose anything from the pack too, and we'll go back there. You can see element option is highlighted. Well, let's begin our wireframe. We will begin to build our wireframe. I am going to drag the iPhone back to my editor mode. You can see simply a drag and drop. Here we can change its size accordingly. I'll change its size so you can see whole phone in one screen. We can resize it. Well, this is perfect. Now we know we are going to build login. So first I would like to add logo. In search bar we will type logo. Here it is. We simply again drag and drop. We will drop it and arrange it. This is perfect. Well, now from elements we also needs input. To input fields, input, yes, we find input. We will put this here. You can see with double clicking or by clicking on edit we can edit it. I simply double click and name it username. Firstly I want to make this duplicate, and from duplicate we will add duplication from edit mode. We can duplicate from here, you can see, and we will arrange it. Now I'm going to rename it. It's username. Good. Now we all know we are making login page, so user can see logo, username. He'll type username, password, and we need button too. We need button. So in search bar we type button. Well, you can choose any button. I'll choose this. Simple. Add. You can add any properties from here. I'll name it login. Login. Okay, this is our login screen. Now we will create one more page. In left side you can see there is pages tab. I click on it. Here is page. I must double click it to rename it. Rename its name is login page. Good. Next we want to make a new page. You can simply add new page. This plus sign is for adding new page. I am clicking on it. Well, we create page 2. In elements we'll simply again drag iPhone portrait mode. We'll again resize it so we can, yes, this is good. Again, you know, we have login page. Whenever user login, it goes to success page. So we have to draw a success page here. Well, again I'll put input. Yes, we will rename it success page. Success page. Success page. Okay. Then user must have to go back to login after successfully login. So we need button 2 which shows logout button. I must drop here. Simply logout. We can add properties here. We can add all properties from here. Now simply we just need one thing, which is linking this page. So firstly I must change its name to its logout or success page. Success page. Okay, well, we will go in first page in elements. Okay, now in logout, login button, we select login. Here you can see in link option, select link. Then I'll choose which page we want to go. After clicking on login, we want to go to success page. We can create link. Good. Now we will go in success page, elements, and then logout. Again we are selecting link. This link is connected to login page. Okay, well, things done. Now we will save it. This save appears before just once. Once you save it, this will remove from here. See, we have two windows, editor modes and review mode. We are in editor modes. Now we will review it. We will click on review. You can see we are on success page. I am logging out. You can see it's changing. We are in presentation mode. It works quite well. So we just draw simple Android application login page and logout page. Thank you.